Hello. Ready to integrate OpenAI's powerful capabilities with AiAssistWorks? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to set up your OpenAI API key and connect it to AiAssistWorks. Start by visiting the OpenAI website and signing up for an account if you don't have one. If you're already a member, simply log in using your credentials. Once logged in, head over to the billing section in your account settings. Here, you'll need to add credits to your balance to activate API usage. For most users, adding a small amount, like $5, is enough to get started. Next, navigate to the API key section in your OpenAI account. Click on the option to create a new secret key and give it a name for easy reference. You can use the default permissions or customize them if needed, but make sure the model capabilities are set to allow writing. After the key is generated, click on the copy button and store it somewhere safe. Remember, this key is private and should not be shared with anyone to prevent unauthorized access. Now, open the AiAssistWorks add-on in Google Sheets. Go to the Settings menu and select API Key Settings. Paste the key you copied earlier into the OpenAI section and save it. And that's it. You've successfully set up your OpenAI API key and connected it to AiAssistWorks. Now you're ready to generate AI-powered content directly from your spreadsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy innovating!